This is 60 pounds of exotic tropical wood pieces that I bought online, and I'm going to open this package and show you exactly what's inside. I like to buy exotic wood online, and I purchased this one on Amazon, and I'm going to show you there are some amazing pieces in here. How do I know what's in here? Well, I already purchased 3 other times from the same seller, and every single time was just amazing. So I'm sorry, I'm out of breath because, well, I've been carrying 60 pounds of wood here for you. So very well packaged. I would say more packaging tape than cardboard. All right, let's see. We're getting there. I cannot wait to open this box. I went to New York and just got back yesterday, and I found the box on the porch. By the way, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, and I wanted to open the box immediately, but I decided to wait so I can open it with you guys. So here we are. Let's see what we got. Ooh, it's looking really good. All right, let's make some room over here. Okay. I can see some really nice pieces already. Lots of packaging tape. All right. Oof. We're getting to it. What I like about this seller, they always mark their wood. So this is some sort of mahogany. It looks very, very nice. It looks like there's 2 pieces of this so far. Gonna put them into piles, see what we get. Ooh, this one is really, really nice. This one is some other sort of mahogany. It looks just like this. Nice, big, beautiful piece. I can definitely make a whole box out of that one. All right. Then this is some sort of rosewood. Look at the grain into the dark piece. Very, very nice. Here we have Spanish something. Not sure what this is. Another really big, nice piece. We have another one of those Spanish something. And another piece of that rosewood. Very, very nice. And then, ooh, this is a chunky piece. Coco Bello, I think it's called Coco Bello. That will make a nice Bensa box. Very, very nice. All right. Really, really well packaged. There's really no scraps in here. It's just all really good wood that you can use for small projects. I make a lot of boxes, so this is really, really nice for me. There's another really chunky piece. This is Spanish oak. Very nice, as you can see. This is some sort of mahogany. Very, very nice colors. This one is bocote. We have some mango. This one has some really cool grain mark That's another mango one. I like that they label everything because I'm not familiar with a lot of these woods. This is a piece of teak. Oh, this is a cool one. Let's see. This is granadillo. It looks something like this, and you see the piece is pretty thick. So you can definitely resaw it and use it to make some cool products. Another small piece of mango. I'll give you a close-up of some of these pieces after we open the whole thing. This is a monkey pod. There's some cool grain on it. Another monkey pod. Ooh, look at this one. Another granadillo. I really like this one that has more than one color. We have another teak and another granadillo. We have Costa Rican mahogany. There's another big chunk, like a big block of it. This one is really heavy. This is Goncalo Alues. Not sure if I pronounced that right. Look how pretty it is. It has no cracks. Just a nice big chunk of wood. Let me measure this one, if I can find a measuring tape. So this big chunker is a little over 6 inches by 5 3/4 and is almost 3 inches thick. So big chunk of wood there. Then we have Bacote. Some nice color on that one too. More Bacote. Look at the head grain. You see how pretty that is? We have more mango. This mango is very nice. We have more teak, more Bacote. More Bacote. More Costa Rican mahogany. And monkey pod. And then some smaller pieces of mango, lots of mango, Costa Rican mahogany. This one looks quite pale. And then granadillo. And there's more, you guys. Hold on, let me cut out some more of these. Looks like some big pieces here too. Ooh, I see one that is really nice. I don't think my knife is sharp enough. It's really not cutting too much through this thing. All right. Let's see what we get here. We get a big chunky piece of mango. So we have more mango. Look at the side grain. Isn't that pretty? We have monkey pod again. A big piece of Bacote. We get some teak. Nice grain in this teak. This is another Spanish oak, like a thick square kind of thing. Granadillo. Look at that. Wouldn't that make a beautiful box lid? Spanish oak. Costa Rican mahogany. Ooh, there's some more granadillo. This one is so pretty. Reminds me of rosewood. More Costa Rican mahogany. More monkey pod. This is teak, a big chunk of teak. Look how pretty that is. Bocote, more granadino. More bocote. Spanish oak. Goncalo Lues. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but there it is. A very nice piece. This one is very heavy, very dense. Another one of those. More mango, Costa Rican mahogany, and more granadillo. Costa Rican mahogany. Goncalo Oleves. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Please forgive me if I butcher it. But there's two pieces of this. Look, very, very nice. And then one more of monkey pod. Now I'm going to use a wet rag just to bring out some of the color on these pieces, just so you can see exactly how pretty they are. And look at that. Gives you an idea what they will look when they are finished. The granadillo, it's beautiful warm tones. Let's see, there's some other granadino. I'm curious about this one over here. Look how pretty this one is. Mango, let's see what mango looks like. Very nice. Now this is rough cut, so obviously when you sand it and all, you will get a lot more beautiful color than this. And look how nice this is. Check out this color. This is Kokobulu. I think that's how you pronounce it. Look how nice that is. Very, very cool piece. Now, as you saw in the title, this is 60 pounds of wood, but when you go on the link that I'll put down below, you will see it's a 25-pound package. Well, that is because on Amazon they sell the 25-pound packages, but somewhere in the description there say that they have a 35-pound package as well. And I couldn't find that on Amazon, so I contacted the company and they sent me a direct link to it, and that's why I have 60, because I got the 25-pound and the 35-pound package. And so total it made 60 pounds of exotic wood. Now this video, it's not sponsored. I bought all this wood with my own money, and I am so pleased with my purchase. I will definitely buy again from them. If you want to purchase the same wood as I did, please click on the link below. I'll put it in the description, and just write a comment once you get it. Tell me which one was your favorite piece. I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.